Now here's a really interesting thing that I've gotten in the last little while. A company in the US sent me this thing. It's called a sound grenade. And here's how it works. So if a bear is attacking me, and I don't have time to reach for my bear spray or something like that, I can do this. Now wow, that's annoying. Now, I haven't tested it on bears, but I kind of think it might work actually as a deterrent. Anyways, it weighs nothing, and I've actually I think it would work. So I'm going to carry it with me in the wilderness. So it's a sound grenade by a company called Robocopp. So they're $19.99 on Amazon. The packaging for the sound grenade, so it's called a portable SOS alarm. You pull the pin like you saw, and it just screams, and it can be used. It's safe on airports. It's allowed in parks, and they describe it as just as a warning. It's kind of like a whistle. It's something you carry on in the park or in a public place. If you're being attacked or something like that, you can bring a lot of attention by pulling this rope. Patrick, who's videotaping right now, said that this didn't sound very loud, so I'm going to pull it again and he's going to zoom in and see what it sounds. Trust me, from my point of view, it's pretty loud. Alright, I'm going to show another neat idea that of something you can do with the sound grenade. It seems a little crazy, but you in theory you could. You can set up. Let's say my tent was in here inside this perimeter. So my tent is in here. Let's say you're really nervous about things visiting you in the night. So you set up a little perimeter like this.
Dad!
What?
Grandpa's calling.
Hang on, I'll call him back. Or bring the phone over here. So you could set up a perimeter like this. You got your tent in there, and if somebody comes and trips your tripwire, you'd know. So it's an interesting application. I could see how somebody might want to do that.